Hello Sky Traders, welcome back to a new YouTube video. This is me, a trading coach, and this is a new video for the weekly recap. In this video, we're gonna cover the NAS100. And as usual, what we usually do is do a top-down analysis and try to endorse some concepts that are important for traders who are newbies or experienced in their trading journey. So, without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's check the monthly time frame, and in this video I want to link between some indicators that might be useful in case we use them correctly. Alright, so indicators or some traders look into indicators alone or solely. Like whenever this indicator passed this percentage, then it's a buy, or whenever this indicator reached this limit, it's a sell, and so on and so forth. This is not the case. If you want to really trade using indicators, if you want to really benefit from indicator signals, you have to combine them with other concepts and with other price action concepts. Indicators could be a good tool to fine-tune your entry, but it's not the tool that you need to depend on solely to trade, right? And if you want to know more about the indicators, all of the indicators, we're covering them all in our advanced course on the website, so don't forget to check them out. So on the monthly time frame, we can clearly see that price is in a downtrend, right? And if you also checked our indicator here, we're using the MACD indicator, and also we're going to use the RSI. Now it's below 50%, right? So it's in the sell zone. However, as I mentioned, we don't look into the indicator alone. We just look and say, okay, we crossed the 50% zone, so that does mean more and more sell pressure. But at the same time, we're looking into the monthly time frame and the price action. Also, in our case, or NAS100, the chart, or the beginning of the chart, is nearly in 2011, right? So on the monthly chart, we cannot benefit more from this indicator because there's no much data or many data that you can depend on, right? As you can see, like, all of the chart have been in an uptrend since the start of the market. So there's no fluctuation in the price. There's no historical data, especially in the downtrend, that we can depend on and see, okay, hey, what happened in 22, for example, or what happened in 2017, it could repeat again, and so on and so forth, because it's completely new, right? Basically, this is the first time that we are down to 50 points in this indicator, right? So people might think that, okay, this is the first time we need to buy. This is a buy signal because it's the first time in the history. Okay, it might be a buy signal, but we need to look into price action as well. And what price action tells us is that this was a market structure, previous market structure, price in this candle, like in June 1st, 2022. We tried to cross this market structure, but clearly we couldn't, right? And then high pressure buy candle breaking the market structure. So people thought at this time that, okay, we're in an uptrend or we're shifting in an uptrend. However, we were followed by a huge sell pressure candle breaking this market structure, and also breaking this market structure and taking out all of the liquidity, right? So, as I mentioned, on the monthly time frame, whenever there is an expansion, should be followed by a consolidation or a retracement. Here we had slightly retracement on the monthly time frame, right? Okay, let's keep this in mind and move to the 1 week time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is our trading range, right? That we've been trading into since 2022, March 2022. Expansion, consolidation, expansion, retracement, consolidation, expansion, consolidation, expansion, then an order block, and we discussed this pattern before. Order block, breaking the market structure, expansion, retracement, expansion, consolidation, retracement, expansion, and now we're in this area, right? So we had an expansion already, and followed by this expansion, we also took some liquidity from the previous buy orders that were previously placed and scattered over this area. That's why there were a huge high pressure buy candle, indicating that a lot of people were kicked out of a market and there's huge liquidity right now, breaking also this market structure. Where are the liquidity hunts that we talked about in the previous videos? This is the first point, this is the second point, this is the third point. So whenever price needs to grab some liquidity, there are 3 levels that we can reach out to, right? Keep this in mind. And also on our indicator, we reached on 10th of October 2022, 33 level, right? From exactly 30 to 33 level, and this level previously we encountered a shift or reversal in trend. However, again, we need to combine this with other concepts. Let's remove the drawings in the weekly time frame and move to the daily time frame. Price try to this area, creating a new market structure here. Order block, expansion, high pressure buy candle, breaking this market structure, and now we're trading here. Okay, so the daily time frame. You see this rejection? From this candle. Whenever there is expansion, retracement, or consolidation. Great. And whenever there is a retracement, it could be a reversal or another expansion. So, what we're looking into here, this is our new market structure. So to have a mindset or to formulate your trading idea, we need to think, are we gonna reach a new liquidity hunt like this area, for example? Or we're gonna break this market structure and continue in the downtrend, right? How we can know this? We just wait. Wait. If this new consolidation area, let's remove the drawings just to see clearly. If this new area turned out to be a consolidation area, and then we broke again this area with high pressure buy candle, then we can have a good entry from this point up to this point or the next liquidity hunt, right? Or if market left this consolidation area, we can have, by the way, up to till this level, a short entry, because we can have an order block at this level and then continue the buy trend. So it could be a retracement, or we can consolidate at this order block and then break this market structure one more time. So we can have another entry at this level till the next liquidity hunt. Where is the next liquidity hunt? It would be this level. Okay, all right. So in the 4-hour time frame to formulate this, and by the way, in the daily time frame, this is our new daily range, right? Trading range. But that doesn't mean that we need to reach the upper limit again, because this was the daily range. We didn't reach the upper limit. Also, one of the things that we can depend on is the Fibonacci retracement. Previously, we just hit 62% and then continued the downtrend. Let's check again in this trading range. We're now at the 50% Fibonacci retracement. And again, as we mentioned before, usually market makers sell at the premium price or the surplus price and buy at the discount price. So now we formulated, I didn't give you the entry, didn't give you the signal. I gave you the formulation of how you can formulate your trading strategy. If this happened, I'm going to do this. And there are 2 or 3 opportunities in the sell positions. If this happened, I'm going to do that. And there are 2 or 3 positions on the buy side, right? Also bear in mind that on the monthly time frame, we are in a critical area. That's why I suggest that we are going to have a slightly consolidation at this level. So we're not going to reject, we're not going to continue moving down further until we have like slightly more consolidation. Because on the monthly time frame, if we check this trading range, we are again at 62%. However, fundamentally speaking, the bear market is not done yet, right? So we can expect that we can have a flat price fluctuating between those 2 levels, right? So, thank you so much for watching. Please go and check your charts. Try to formulate this strategy over the next week. Again, I'm not giving you trading signals. I'm giving you how you can formulate your trading strategy. Go check your charts. Comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for next videos to include, whether market analysis, whatever, and we're going to be more than happy to cover them. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mina, your trading coach, and see you in the next episode.